it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. When you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time, pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we're too addicted to friction to change our mind. We're so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
Honestly, the reason why I got these outfits is because I have an event coming up. So I wasn't so sure about which one to pick. Then I just picked both. But also, I want to tell you guys, I'm so disappointed. The neckband polo is happening this Saturday, and I was hoping that I could get access for me and some of my friends. Unfortunately, the lady I was communicating with said she's not able to give me enough access, so she could only give me access for one person, and I'm not about to go to the polo by myself. I know there'll be people that I know there, but it's always better going with someone instead of just, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what it is. What's up? So this is the first outfit. Hopefully it'll be a 6-pack by the time I rock this. Actually, let me try it on. Okay, I just put it on, and I'm just removing this plastic so I can show you guys how it looks. And then, I don't know guys, it's not giving me, you know that feeling when you just bought something new and you're excited? Hi man, I'm not getting that feeling, no one. So this is how it is sitting. I obviously don't have a bra right now, but yeah. And it need to iron it so that it sits down properly. This collar just won't rest, but yeah, it needs to be ironed, I guess, and then it can sit down. Thoughts. It's okay. Is it what I expected? No. It's definitely not what I expected. But I guess I'll just make it work for whichever event it is. Yeah. Let me try on the other one. So the other one is a 2-piece. We have the pants and the top. And then here there's the top. And then this is the two-piece. This is how it looks. I'm not mad at it. I don't know if you guys can see it properly because it's getting dark now. This is basically how it looks from the front. And we have the back. One thing though, I do hate the length. The length is not... I like my stuff a bit long. So if you can see, that's where the pants end. And when I'm wearing heels, like the heels are all out, you get me? Whereas I prefer the heels to just peek through. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then I'll probably just have like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, but maybe I'm thinking like waves. I know my hair is pretty long for that, but I'm sure we can zama something. Yeah, I'll speak to Jawad and ask him to do something. Waves, some sort of finger waves on my hair. Maybe we can tie it, or we can have that swoop. You know, the 90s swoop? Maybe we can do that because I haven't done that. And yeah, otherwise, out of 10, I'd give it a 7. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and one other thing, last thing, I bought shades. Shades, colorful shades. The thing is, I've had these shades on my wish list for the past year, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. And they've been selling out. So finally, they were back, and I thought, I'm not missing out. Okay, my head looks very small right now, so these shades look humongous on me, but I'm sure once my hair is back down, like, you'll see these are fire. Actually, let me check them myself, because then that's what you want to have. Do they suit me? I think with the right hair, yes, right? And no, don't get it twisted, I'm not gonna wear these with this outfit. I need something orange. Maybe like orange shoes. Ooh, I would love an orange sneaker. That would be so fresh. But anyway, we're not there. Do they suit me? Oh, you know what? We'll make it work. Because I never used to be a shades type of girly. And I think the past 2 years I've just been buying shades and wearing shades all the time, also because of my surgery, you know, so had to make sure for it every time I step out my eyes are protected. But yeah guys, you know what, let me get out of this outfit. I am satisfied with at least one of the items. I think the other one, and it was more expensive, it's stressing me out because I don't like it, and I'm not one to return things because then it's a process, it takes forever, it's money, like gunini, you know what. Otherwise, subscribe, hit the like button, and of course share with all of your friends and let them know this is where it's at. Skalibala. Guys, I'm seriously confused. So I just put on this top that I've had now for a while. I've never worn this, so I've been waiting to wear it at like some function or whatever. Now I'm thinking I should just wear it like this. Yeah, not my feather, but I'm confused. because should I wear the green, the lime green? What's the color? Lime green? Or should I wear this emerald green? Clearly it's all about the greens, but now here's the tricky part. These shoes, yeah, love these shoes. They're from Zara. They don't go with my top. They don't go with the other outfit too. So either way, I don't have a shoe for whatever I'm wearing. And at this point, I'm just over it. I don't know anymore. I don't know what looks good because I don't know, get discouraged, man. It's not slapping the way I wanted it to slap, but also it could be because my hair is not done. I don't have the right shoes and accessories. Maybe that's the reason. I'm not getting the vision that I had. So I'm still gravitating towards this outfit. I think it works. Hopefully it's not too much cleavage because I know they have an issue with like showing too much flesh. But I think it works. The only thing is those shoes, those black shoes are hideous with this outfit. So I'm not gonna even bother. And I can't find those silver shoes from Zara. Oh my gosh, they embedded in my head. I can't find them. I think they sold out. Now the thing is, if I don't find silver shoes anywhere, then I'm forced to just wear my burgundy shoes. I think they go because it's like a color block situation. They're burgundy against this. I think it just pops very nicely. Tor doesn't think that. He thinks it just looks bad, but in my opinion, I think it looks great. I think it will work. But we'll just have to see because this thing is tomorrow, guys. It's tomorrow and I hadn't booked a makeup artist. I literally just emailed them now. I don't know why I'm such a lastminute.com person. The thing is, in my head, Megite for this event, I'm not gonna, I'll probably just do my own makeup. I won't go all out. But at the same time, I think I might regret that if I don't do my makeup and my hair is zhuzhed up, outfit looking good, and I might just, I don't know. I don't want to be in a state where I regret not doing these things. So as much as it's spending unnecessary money, I think I should. We'll see. But yeah, I just emailed them now. Hopefully this one is available. Crossing fingers. I've never worked with her before. Like, I keep trying different makeup artists because I want to see which one I'm leaning more towards. At this point, Asisipo is the best. She is winning, she is thriving, but the other ones, are also following her. I know I do have my worst, which I will never go to again. And then Babang but it's one of those, like, you can't be the best makeup artist for everybody. Let me get out of this, guys. Hey cuties, what's up? It's been a crazy day today. I went to go do my hair and they couldn't do the hairstyle that I wanted, so I just told them to tie my hair up. It's tied to the back, and then this is basically supposed to come in front, but we couldn't put it there before makeup, so I just got back from makeup now. And I am at Hotel Sky about to get dressed for the Bellagio event. So let me just quickly get dressed and then I'll talk to you just now. So I really don't know what to do with this hair. because the idea was for the hair to fall on here, but no, it's too much hair. So I don't know if I should tuck it here by the ear and then just have one. I do have pins. That lady gave me pins, no? But now I'm pinning something that has gel. So go tricky. Should I put it back? I don't know, guys. I'm trying to be creative at this point because the style is not styling. Give me credit for trying, hey? Give me credit for trying. I feel so flustered because I feel like I'm late. Okay, are you guys feeling it? Let me moisturize my hands. Let me see them feet. Feet needs moisturization. But do you guys feel the thing on my face? Because it's supposed to be a wet vibe. You get it, Moss? I just wish this part was also, you know, flat. So we'll see. We'll see. But does it look good here in front? Just worried. Should I pull it? I don't think pulling it is gonna look okay. I don't know. But at this point, this is what we're working with. Let me show you guys the full outfit. Slippery. Wait, let's take the lotion is making my feet slippery. Okay.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you like bum bum bum. Roll back then rotation, figure it's in the season. Shine bright as the season, girl. You know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam.
Hi, the lady of the night. Yay!
The people watching you. I would have thought it ass.
Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam.
Diamonds stop I'll give it to my mom. I didn't get a Mother's Day gift, so I'm gonna go buy a second stud so I can give it to her. I'll go get a second stud and give it to her Mother's Day gift.
Well, he inspired me. I'm like, let me not be a lazy. Yeah.
Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam.
Phew, guys, finally home. It was such an amazing event. Of course, Bellagio never disappoints. So I think I've always shown you guys, every time I go to a Bellagio event, I leave with a goodie. It's always diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I think this time they zhuzhed it up. Instead of them giving us the same thing, they gave everyone something different. And they actually had a piercing station. So they gave everyone like studs, but they were different studs. So you could choose which stud you want. And I went for the simplest ever. But now the challenge was me piercing. I couldn't get myself to pierce, guys. Like, don't get me wrong. But I just couldn't. So it's just one stud. I don't know if you guys are gonna see because it's a stud. It's tiny. And even the design I chose. Can you guys see it? It is so cute. I am gonna wear this as an earring. Probably buy like a matching one and then just rock them as earrings. Let me see. Let me try it on. But the fact that it's got diamonds, I mean, that's the best part. Oh, how cute. stunning. Yeah, I think I can just rock this as an earring. It's beautiful. And now, of course, my least favorite part is taking off this gorgeous makeup. So because today was so rough and so rushed, everything was just all over the place. I forgot my camera, so you guys couldn't come with me when I was doing my makeup, but it was done by a beautiful Nigerian lady by the name of Moody, and she brought it because I told her that I actually wanted drama because I'm wearing like a green ensemble, and obviously the invitation said street chic, so I decided, hey, let's go crazy with the makeup because we're trying to be street chic. So this is how I interpreted the invite, and I took so many pictures, guys. You would swear tonight was my event, the way I was all over the show. So but yeah, I can't wait for the pictures to come out. And then we're not even gonna go into drama and miriri because this was not supposed to be my hair. I'll insert a picture of what I wanted, but haki fitla go my hair salon, Jawad was not there. My stylist, you guys know him, he's literally one of the best. He was not there, and I booked my appointment with him because he's the one that always does my hair. So then when I showed the other guys what I wanted to do, they told me straight up they couldn't. So I had to just go with something simple, and this is what it was. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you like this look. And yeah, next time I promise you guys I will not forget my camera so you guys can see all the behind the scenes action. But I'm so grateful that I was invited to this event. I'm so grateful to be part of the Bellagio family. It is a beautiful brand, and I am slowly building up a collection, I'm telling you. Like a serious collection of Bellagio jewelry in my drawer. Like, I'm that girl now. I can't believe I wear expensive jewelry. Who would have thought? The come up. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just gonna take these lashes off because they are so heavy. Tell me, you guys, do you guys also ever go through this, like when you're wearing like hectic lashes, do they get heavy, or am I just sensitive? Because they feel very heavy. And what do? Do I just pull them? Sheesh. Satisfying. Look at the difference. Wow, lashes actually make a huge difference. Now I look scary. Good night, guys. Love you.
You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. My place is your place. Places like I do. My place like you do. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it,
finally found him, guys.
I know.
He's all over the place. You never enjoy it. 5 minutes London, 5 minutes New York. I'm like,
And then there's still more coming.
I love it though.
I've said that. I did share. But it's not great for my budget, but it's fun.
Brain is worth it.
Exactly. It is. Absolutely. I would not exchange it for anything in the world. You know that? Yeah. How are you?
I'm good.
I can see you on.
I've
She
been
is
coming
looking
out
great.
lately.
Let me tell you. Make sure you follow, link, like, subscribe,
Yes,
comment.
channel.
Yeah,
Thank you.
please, guys. How?
How are we gonna do in New York without them subscribing?
Earrings. Hey.
I actually didn't have earrings. It's just like I need something big. So I just grabbed it. These have my mind. I might just spend a few bucks, just to have them because when she was wearing them, I was like, my gosh, those are like they make a statement.
Yes, absolutely.
And yeah, they're giving.
Yes.
I don't know who this girl is,
Yes,
but I like her.
I like her too. I love her too.
Oh.
Yes. Look at her. Look at her girl. Look at her girl.
On my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here.
What's your fun song? Is your fun?
Savannah.
Savannah.
It has
Hey, these ones are weird, but they look good though.